Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you heard about all the amazing exclusive content in the Brawl Stars China edition and wondered how to play it? Well, you are in the right place. Before we start, it is super important to know that the Chinese version is a completely separate app with its own servers and accounts. In this full guide, I'm going to walk you through all the steps and challenges from downloading to playing. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the two biggest challenges you'll face as an international player. China has strict regulations. To create a permanent account, you need the valid Chinese government ID number. Without it, you can't play for very long. The game servers are in mainland China. Unless you're very close to that region, your ping will be high, which can make the game very laggy and hard to play. For Android users, the easiest way to download the game is through a third-party app store. Open a web browser on your phone and search for TapTap APK. Download and install the app. It is a very reliable store for Chinese games. Once you have TapTap installed, open it up and search for Brawl Stars. You'll see the game pop up, tap the download button, and wait for the game to install on your phone. Now on the account creation and verification, this is the hardest part. You'll need to create an account that is verified with a Chinese ID. To log in, you'll be prompted to use either a WeChat or QQ account. These are the main social platforms in China. The app will then ask you for real name verification with a Chinese ID number. Without this, you will be heavily restricted, sometimes only being able to play for an hour a day. As an international player, the only real way to get around this is to have a friend in China who can help you verify your account. It is a major hurdle, and you should be wary of any third-party services that promise to do it for a fee, as they are often scams. Even if you successfully get an account, playing with a high ping is a major issue. To get a better connection, you'll need a gaming VPN. Search for a reputable VPN with servers in mainland China. Services like ExpressVPN or NordVPN are often recommended. Open your VPN and connect to a server in China. With the VPN active, open Brawl Stars. This should help stabilize your connection and lower your ping, making the game more playable. There you have it, a full guide on how to download and play Brawl Stars China Edition. It is a challenging process, but if you are determined to try the unique events and content, these are the steps you'll need to follow.